We're here with Grizz Chapman, star of the Emmy Award-winning 30 Rock. Welcome to our show.
Well, thanks for having me.
People probably recognize you as half of the Tracy Morgan entourage on the 30 Rock. So right from the beginning, how'd you get the gig?
It was the simplest audition I ever went on. I just walked in the door and shook Steve's hand, and that was it. I had the job.
So you were the vision that he had, probably.
Yeah. It was just that easy.
I auditioned. That's why I didn't get the part.
Yes, it's because
actually, I passed you in the hallway.
I came up short. A bunch of 7-footers, and I'm there going,
Now, are you friends with Tracy Morgan in real life?
Yeah, me and Tracy have been friends about probably roughly about 14 years, 12 years.
Wow.
Yeah, we've been friends for a long time, way before he got on Saturday Night Live. And he used to frequent a watering hole I used to work at. We discussed a lot of, doing a show together, but I never thought it was going to actually happen, and then it happened. So.
Is the watering hole a secret?
Yes.
Okay.